Hey everybody, welcome to the sweetest place on earth. Have you ever eaten a Jelly Belly jelly bean? They are so delicious. Each bite is a burst of flavor that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Did you know they make over 100 flavors? It's true. From classic favorites like very cherry and buttered popcorn, to unique ones like toasted marshmallow and pina colada, there's a flavor for everyone. You can visit the Jelly Belly factory in California. It's super fun. Imagine walking through a wonderland of jelly beans, where every corner is filled with sweet surprises. The factory is like a giant playground for jelly bean lovers. There are interactive exhibits, games, and even a chance to create your own custom jelly bean mix. You can see how they make the jelly beans. It's like magic. Watch as the beans go through various stages, from mixing and molding to coating and polishing. They have so many colors and flavors. It's like a rainbow of sweetness, with each color representing a different, delightful taste. You can even try some for free. Sample different flavors and discover your new favorite. It's a treat for both kids and adults alike. The Jelly Belly factory is in Fairfield, California. It's near San Francisco. You can drive there in your car. It's easy to find. Look for the big Jelly Belly sign. You can't miss it. When you get to the factory, you can park your car. Parking is free. Then you can go inside and start your adventure. Get ready for some jelly bean fun. The tour is self-guided. That means you can go at your own pace. You will get a little hat to wear. It looks like a jelly bean. How cute is that? You can walk around the factory and see everything. They have videos and exhibits. You can learn all about jelly beans. It's so interesting. And of course, there are plenty of jelly beans to try along the way. Bechas. Section 4. More than just jelly beans. The Jelly Belly factory is not just about jelly beans. It's a place where the magic of candy making comes to life. They have other fun things too. Families and kids can enjoy an immersive tour that takes them through the entire candy making process. There's a Jelly Belly art gallery. This unique gallery showcases incredible portraits and artworks made entirely out of jelly beans. You can see pictures made out of jelly beans. It's amazing. The level of detail and creativity in these pieces is truly something to behold. They also have a candy store, a cafe, a chocolate shop, and a fudge counter. So many treats. Each section offers a delightful array of sweets that cater to every taste. You can get your sugar fix for sure. From classic jelly beans to gourmet chocolates, there's something for everyone. And if you're feeling fancy, the experience doesn't stop there. You can even try the chocolate and wine experience. Ooh la la. This sophisticated pairing event allows you to savor the rich flavors of gourmet chocolates, alongside carefully selected wines, making for an unforgettable treat.
enjoy the tour, taste the flavors, and make the most of your visit. We can't wait to see you.